No, louder.
Please note, whatever you do bring out there is going to probably get incredibly dirty.
So let's go. We start the engine.
Hold the line, guys. Hold the line. We got a vehicle coming up.
Hey, I was talking about that bus earlier. Yeah, we're going to be moving it over to that excavator so the people can smash and grab it, just in case you guys are curious.
So আমরা এখন একটু ব্রেক নিছি।
Alrighty, guys. Now that we're all started up, let's put those vehicles back into H and Autobots. Roll out. Nicely done, guys. Let's go straight on through. All fired up. Go.
Starts next. And look at the view. Wow, crazy sound for the gun shoots. Damn. Yeah.